So I thought of making this video after a project I did where I'm working at the moment, um, of which we already done designing the building. The building is up to like 110 meters long and say I think close to 50 meters wide. And it was after then we got to visit the site, and just like you believe a conventional site should be plain, but then it was when we got to the site we got to know that uh, the site is actually sloped. So the topography of the area was very very bad. So at that point we had to request for a topographical survey that shows um, all the informations we needed: spot elevation, contours, and the likes. So after getting that, so we now had an issue of, okay, how do we properly represent this surface we have on site here in our model, because we try to come up with a structural model for every project we do, because that helps to aid detecting any form of clash or every other information we actually needed. So after getting the topo, then it is now left for us to incorporate it into our model and see what our topo is saying in reference to our structure, already designed and modeled structure. So, and that is what warrants make trying to create this video, so as to help someone there who is also in the design industry and would like to know how to incorporate topographical survey, sorry, don't mind my English, into their model. So this is Revit 2021, and I'll be making use of the metric structural template. So from there I click on OK, and I have this. So in this video I'll be dealing with three major ways you can actually create your topo. The first one is the simplest of all, definitely the simplest. Then the first one is creating it manually yourself. Then while the second one has to do with you importing the CAD format sent to you from the surveyor into your Revit model and doing one or two things, then you get your topo. Then the third part, we'll be looking at how you can bring in Excel documents and incorporating it into your Revit to create your topo. So in order to create your topo, you go to your one of the first things you actually need to do when trying to create a topographical survey on Revit is, one, check your visibility graphics, which the shortcut is VG. So then from there you can type T to take it to topography. So then you check it and you click on OK. Then you can also come here, which is your detail level, because this can affect what you see and what you don't see. So take it to fine. You can adjust your scale also. So having done that, then you come to your remember I'm on site level, so then I come and start creating my survey, sorry, topo surface. So I want to start with an elevation of 0. With an elevation of 0, so I drop it. You can see my points. So say I want to go minus 150, so I come. So say I want to go lower again, say minus 300. So let me assume I'm actually done with what I'm creating, so and I have it this way. So I can adjust the contour level of my topo by coming to model site, the drop down arrow by the the right corner here. So I can come and say, rather than having it as 5,000, you can just say I want it at 100. So that's broken it into 100. So right here we can see our topo is ready. So let me see, I want to further make it smaller. So this is 50. So I can come here and change this to shaded, so you can easily see how the topo looks like. You can easily see how it looks like. So one of the best way to actually see what it really looks like again is to cut a section across it. There you can easily view it. So normally might not show, but then you turn on your, so you can easily see your topo. This is your topo. So then you can change the fine detail level to finest. And one of the things you can also do to ensure that it shows the earth arch pattern for it is to come to your topo, then you come to your pattern under cut, then your foreground you give it earth, and click on OK, and you OK this, and you have your earth looking this way. So that will be the end of it for this first part of the video. So this is how to create your topo manually yourself, and in the second video I'll be talking about how to make your topographical survey from a CAD format sent by the surveyor.